Now we're making a video.
Sammy!
Who's giving you a bath? Now you're not going to say anything.
Sammy! Hey, Sammy.
Awesome.
Say hi to Mommy.
Why am I going to say hi to her? I see her over
Sammy,
there.
where's Amy? Can you give
Right
Amy
here.
some soap?
Need some soap.
Wash your hands.
You did the bubbles on her hands like you did for Grandpa?
There you go.
Yeah. Daddy did a bubble beard with him the other night. He thought that was great.
Yay!
You gotta get your knees clean too. You played in dirt today. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Dirt.
Did you get dirty when you went to the playground?
Mm-hmm.
What did you do at the playground? Did you go on the swings?
Mm-hmm.
No. Did you go down the slide?
Did you go down the slide at the park? Sammy.
Not now. I know, you got lots of little baby chores to do. There are bubbles to be popped all over the
Show off
place.
all your neat stuff.
Splash?
Mm.
Can you splash in it?
They're swimming.
Is
They
Mickey
are
and
swimming.
Winnie friends?
Hey Sam, can you show me the sign for friend?
What's the sign for friend?
Do you remember?
Friend? Can you hear friends?
Mm-hmm.
Friends?
Can you blow me a kiss?
Blow Mommy a kiss. Blow Mommy a kiss.